back to the channel. Today's video is about some things that I was influenced by from TikTok. Probably about 5 or 6 years ago, we started taking our dogs to the vet to have them groomed like clockwork every 6 weeks. Probably a year and a half-ish ago, I actually stopped paying for grooming services for our little guy. He really needs a haircut, and every time I do it, I always jack it up. So I have been influenced from TikTok on a couple of things that I can get to help my dog, to help us groom at home. I am not a professional, but I'm definitely gonna try some of these things. My kids are itching to use some of them. So let me show you what I bought. If you see anything that you're interested in, it will be linked in my Amazon storefront, but I just thought that I would share with you some things that I purchased to help groom my dogs at home and save a little money. So first thing is this Mane and Tail Shampoo and Conditioner Deep Moisture. Now I already used the Mane and Tail shampoo, not this specific one, but the other one, just because I am on a hair journey at the moment. But whenever I saw that this one is really good for your dogs, conditioning their coats and making them look super healthy, I was like, let me give that a try. But not just the Mane and Tail, but also the baby shampoo. Apparently this is supposed to be diluted and it's supposed to be gentle if it gets in their eyes. And yeah, I was like, okay, cool. Let me try this. I've never used baby wash. Like, this is the first time I bought baby wash since mine were babies, and my youngest is 10. So it's been a really long time since I bought baby wash. Now for their oral health, I did pick up a probiotic toothpaste. And for our little guy, he is a long hair chihuahua, I got these 360 finger toothbrushes. It has 10 in here, so I thought that was kind of cool, but apparently, oh look, okay, so I'm just now opening this. It comes in their own little cases. How adorable is that? Each one of them has their own, so that's good. I can write their names. Well, would we need it for the big dogs? Yeah, I guess you can use it for big dogs. I'm assuming you can use this for all size dogs, but you just slip it on your finger like this. So just like you would brush a baby's teeth, you would brush your dog's teeth. This one is chicken and coconut flavor. I don't know how well that's gonna go, but I do know that coconut, like oil, is really good for even our teeth to like oil pull. So I'm hoping that that's gonna help them stay like white and bright. But I really like that they have their own little cases so I can like write their names on them and keep up with them. And the fact that it comes with 10, that's really cool. And then I was influenced to get this, and I don't even think I'm pronouncing this right. It's called Chlorhexidine, I'm assuming is how you would say this. But apparently you take this and you dilute it down and put it on like a cotton swab or like a cotton ball and clean out their ears and like around their ears, just because their ears get so much like buildup and gunk. And I did pick this up from Walmart. It was in the kitchen section. I think it was like less than $1, like 97 cents or something like that. So I'll just take the solution, mix it with the water, and then it'll just stay in here. This is a gallon size, so this should last a really long time. Now, here are a few tools that I picked up to help with the grooming situation. Here we have nail clippers, and I'm actually kind of scared to use them. I talked to my vet yesterday. Samson has an appointment coming up just for his yearly shots, and I asked them if they do nail clippings, and then I told her that I bought one, but I'm scared to use it, like, because I don't want to hurt them. And so whenever I go in on Monday, they're actually going to show me how to use these properly. So I will just take these with me, and then they're going to like show me how to do it, I guess, the correct way. So I'm really looking forward to learning how to do that, just to take care of their nails. And then I found this hair clipper set. It comes with everything you need to cut your dog's hair. It does have instructions, but it has like all the guards, a pair of scissors, a comb, and the clippers. So I'm probably gonna have to throw this on the charger. We have a little solution. I don't really know what that is for. I'm gonna have to read in the instructions to find out exactly what that is. Samson is a bull mastiff, and he, like, if he doesn't like something, then he is going to buck, okay? He does not like taking baths. He does not like doing anything that we need him to do, like he needs a bath. And it is literally like a bull in a china shop with him, trying to get him bathed. He doesn't like a lot of things, but baths are definitely a really tough spot for us, and not just us, even our vet. Whenever we would take him in for like kenneling or boarding, if we were going out of town, they would also suggest calming chews. So I found these. They had really good reviews on them. They are hemp chews. So it says that they are for anxiety and stress. Now, I've never given him anything like this before, so I'm really hoping that they actually do work. So this is like total trial and error for us with using these. And then the last thing that I got is this Caddy. This is a pretty good size. Now, the one that we have is more like a bucket, and it's not very big. It's probably this big. Like, this gallon-sized jug is probably bigger than the bucket that we have, and nothing really fits in there. And I think I just started using it just because like it was there, and so I just started like throwing little random things in there for the dog stuff. But now having all of this stuff that's like dedicated for the dogs, I decided to go ahead and get a Caddy with a handle so that we could just like put it under the cabinet and like take it out and put it in whenever we were fixing to bathe them, just so that everything stays together and like organized and clean.
And I totally forgot to do an outro. I'm so sorry. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. That's it. Okay, bye.